What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be doing the Quick Lightning Cup, which is the first little tournament of the new season. I forgot to hit the record button a little late. We got 5 kills, landing greasy, but you can still see everything else. We did really good. We had a really good time, and it's quick because it's only an hour and 30 minutes, and you only get 5 games to play. So we had to be a little bit aggressive, and we ended up paying off and getting a lot of kills. So yeah, before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe.
I need to get this on. Bro, Zimi's in our game. Zimi is in our game.
How do you know?
It just said Zimi died to a great fall. Or Zimi got knocked to a great fall.
Kid. A duo. I'm gonna land on them.
Good tags. Lasered.
I'm 1 HP.
Oh my god, they broke from my box. No, I fired right there.
Should I rift?
Yeah, just get out.
I could.
No. Maybe wait and see if you could hop in the thing. No. Just go. Just see if you can grab my reboot. Oh, whatever.
I can't. There's no way.
Whatever.
Oh, but they're
gonna just follow. Yeah.
Maybe
go grab my. Just go grab my reboot. I am.
I'm gonna die though.
So, they're chasing you. You have no better chance of surviving if you don't. Nice. Get the finish. Oh, you're the best. You win this. Don't be over aggressive. He's running. Don't be pushy. Do not be pushy. Yo, is he gone?
Yeah.
He's gone. Give my reboot. See? What did I tell you? Grab those shockwaves. You could use those.
No.
No. What did you do? There's stuff down there. Oh, you're dead. The first day, even though the other day was the first day, I found it on my 3rd game, bro. Because I accidentally did it, and I was like, whoa.
Drill Hill.
There's no way he did it.
Oh. That's a
this is.
Oh, right here. They see us.
I got 120.
Dude, heavy snipe. Never mind. Dead!
Which one?
I don't know which one, but they're gonna... the red one.
Yeah, they're gonna rev. There's nothing we can do. My stuff? Wait, no, I need this.
Yeah.
Here, come on, let's get up safe. I'm getting shot at by kids right there. They got in the slipstream.
I got a finish.
Nice.
Oh, I screwed that up.
Alright, they're not making it out. Don't shoot. Let's shoot. 120.
Yeah,
hard spray. Spray for everything we got. He's doing 1 tick, about to be 2. And then we could use that against him too.
Watch out, teammate. Oh, yeah, these kids are eliminated.
This hard scope on that kid.
That children. That child.
Yo, come on, hard. They're gone.
Where'd they go? Oh, I see him.
Right, just focus on that one. He's weak. That would have been free if we were better. We need to work on comms with double snipes. Let's try to always hold snipers. And remember, we only have 5 games, so there's no point in going crazy aggressive.
Peek on this kid, and he doesn't even know.
Here, yo,
these kids look actually horrible, though.
Dead. Full push.
Here, let me like break the wall to get in.
Yeah. No, do it on whatever wall he's.
Ooh.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Free kill then. We can get a finish. Who cares?
Oh yeah, sniper ammo as well. Okay, have fun with the Rocket League, Bryce.
He did not have
You
anything.
go destroy him. You literally
Say
pulled.
brick. Say brick or wood. Wait, bro, right under us. No. Dead.
Nice.
He had 5 bullets. 5 bullets. There's a rift 2. Rift 2. Can you hold?
Yeah. Here, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
let's
do
get back
this.
up. Get back up.
Oh yeah.
Bro, come on, get up. No. Get up so we can get a tag on the kid. No. Just get all the way up. Get all the way up, dude.
I was trying.
Alright, now get back here.
You see him?
Okay, let's do risk.
Oh, watch out! Yeah, don't get double heavy.
For him to stop rotating.
Mhm.
When I say shoot, you shoot it now. Go.
Oh, frick.
Bro, he's like stopping and then not. There, bro. Wait, the thing.
Yeah,
Dead.
nice. The other dude's gonna get the finish.
I don't care. It's our kill.
No, I mean like he's gonna kill the other guy. So yeah, that's good.
12 no shield twice, 3 times.
15 white.
Nice.
No.
Don't worry, I got angles. No, double. Where is he? Right there. Double.
Yeah.
Double. He moved. Why did he move, dude? Is he gonna stick it or not? All right, we gotta get a hard refresh. Oh, crap zone.
Frick, where are you at? You IGL.
Okay.
We don't. We can
let's
just slide.
Let's just slide. Yeah. Right here. No shielded. Yo, hard push to. Get on me. Hard push. He has no shield.
Where'd he go?
Dead.
Nice. Get to me.
I have 20 sniper. I got you.
Good?
Yep. Yo, break the trees. They can do crap.
No, I'm swimming the circle.
No tags? No, cracked. I cracked the kid right there.
Where?
Or not that one. I guess this dude did. I killed one. I got one. Just don't die. That's all you gotta do.
Oh, I thought you said you got one.
No, I knocked him.
Oh, dang. Dude, third.
Yep, not bad. 30 points. Your house. No, you're fine.
Strike or blue shotgun.
I have a DMR. I can get tags.
Oh, yeah.
79.
White? Yeah.
Yep. Dead.
What?
Hard push. Yep. Need the points. Alright, what's in here? Oh yeah, right here. Oh, this kid's being like a teamer or something, bro. Lasered. Dead.
Nice. Dead.
Nice. I just got lasered by someone like at your house. Here, I'm going in the basement and popping the keg.
I can tell.
You got this, kid.
Ooh. 30 white.
No, yeah. Well, he's out. No, he's getting back up. Do it. You get this.
Dead.
Let's go. Watch out. Don't come to me.
How does he see me there?
He's full pushing. I think you're dead, dude. Oh my god, imagine he did that though. Oh, he only has a revolver. You can get him.
No, I don't.
And then
Teammate.
some kid snipes you. Alright, 40 points, not bad. That happened.
Building an aim.
Wait, bro, it was 33 Rokane.
And is that Joji? Or frick me, Joji?
That's 3033 Rokane.
Yeah. And Joji. He plays with Joji. 33 Trilogy! What did I say? Yeah, by the way, Magic are currently fighting Trilogy. Just a little heads up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Actually at the end of this video you can see that Rokane killed us, 33 Rokane, and his teammate Joji. And then a little bit later on, we also died to 33 Trilogy! What did I say? Yeah, 33 Trilogy. That was in the performance evaluation. We died to them. Their 33 Trilogy was played in FNCS finals, and Rokane and Joji are just like goated. So yeah. We died to them in the performance evaluation. We also had Zemi in our game. So a bunch of pros and like content creators we saw today. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.